Hi everyone, this is me again, Sebastian, and this time we're going to talk about the materials we need. Okay, here we go. We're going to need sticks and also some tiny bits of leaves, grass, and a couple pieces of hay. And you know why they use those stuff? Because they're soft. That way when they lay the egg, it won't break. And you're going to need the light bulb. So in case if it's stuck inside when it's day, it can see in the day. That way it won't be afraid in the day in your room. And so yeah, we're just going to show you some stuff around, and here we go. Can you believe how much stuff I made? Looking.